Lately, I've realized something a little uncomfortable that I do. When I'm having a conversation with someone, many times I'm already responding before I've truly understood what the other person is trying to say. While they are talking, I notice that my mind is already preparing a response, an opinion, or something I want to say next. At the end, even though it looks like I'm listening, I'm not fully paying attention. In previous videos, I talk about the importance of speaking slower and trying to structure my thoughts before speaking. But good communication also means knowing how to listen. So, here I am, trying to do something simple but effective. When someone is talking to me, I'm going to try not to immediately think about my response. First, I'm going to listen. Over the last few days, I've had the chance of practicing this, and I've realized that when I truly focus on what the other person is communicating, instead of thinking about what to add, questions naturally come to my mind. Questions that help me better understand their point of view, and that make it much easier for me to elaborate and share my own ideas afterwards. It sounds simple, but I realized that when you truly listen, conversations change completely. I'm going to keep practicing this and see what happens. Wish me luck!